Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a Python course in which I teach you about the Python programming language, which is highly used programming language. So our today's topic is string formatting in Python. So in previous video we studied string concatenation, in which we can join two strings with the help of string concatenation, or we can say plus sign. But in this video I will show you how to integrate or how to add number variable like int variable in string. So this is string formatting, and let's see. So I create a file which is called string format.py, and I named it 09, and previous file I have to named it for sequence purpose. So that's it. So I create a variable which is named as 16. Age is equal to 16, and now I want to insert age into a string. So I write here print, and let's make a I make a variable which name is detail. This is a string variable. Now my name is John and my age is age. Print detail. Let's see the answer. What is the answer? The answer is my name is John and my age is age. This is not a correct way, because we write age variable in string, so that's why it show as it is. So what can we do to insert it in string? We write here f before the comma, and then in which place, I want to place it here, so I create curly braces. These are the curly braces, and here I write age. So what does this mean? This means this is a placeholder in which I put this variable. So let's see. So as you can see, my name is John and my age is 16 because of this placeholder. So I am commenting this, and let's take another example. So I make a variable which is called price, and I 24, and I name a string variable, and I press F because I want to place a placeholder inside the string, and I want to insert this price variable in it. So the price of mangoes per kg is placeholder, and here I write price and dollar. Let's see. Print mango. The price of mangoes per kg is $24. So in this way you can insert a integer into a string or any other data type in string. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.